Hello YouTube. Today we will be unboxing Audiocular DAC and AMP. DAC and AMP is basically digital to analog converter, which is in this case is Type C to 3.5 converter, and I have got it from concept card. So on the back we see the model which says D07. There is D10 as well. Okay, it comes with a carry pouch inside it, and it is of a good quality which can be used to store the earphones and the DAC as well. Yeah, the zip quality is good. So inside we get the DAC and amp and the USB-A converter. So this particular is made out of metal and it is very sturdy. Also, we see the branding of Audiocular on the Type-C port. There is some protective cover on that. Also, the cable is of really good quality and this will last. The 3.5 side is metal as well. So the next that we have is the USB-A to Type-C converter. It is also of a good quality. It does say that 200 Mbps is the speed. I think this will transfer good quality sound when we use this connector to any of the Windows laptop which do not have Type C port. Thank you. This is all for the video.